So today we're going to talk about creating parallel channels within your support and resistance lines on a chart. So basically, you're going to be working with your support and resistance areas and identifying your areas where the market is going up and going back down. So that's why you would use a parallel channel. So once again, quick recap: a resistance area or a resistance line is an area where the market went up to and then resisted going further up. It may have went through the area that you marked up, but it eventually goes back down as you're seeing inside this screen. And this is your support area. So this green line is your support area. So we see where the market went up to the resistance, it dropped all the way back down to the support, and then it went all the way back up, going through the resistance a little bit, but starting to drop back down. So you can tell that right here, you see this little bluish area. This is called a parallel channel. I've already drew one on my chart. So pretty much it shows where there's a trend of the market going up and starting to move even further upward. So if the trend is identified, you could possibly get in at its lows, which is down here, and you could possibly travel up to anywhere where the end of these lines are, anywhere in between, to grab some type of profit. So you could have bought down here or anywhere in between, and you could have sold anywhere up here, anywhere in between, right, to gain some type of profit. So you could sell or buy in Forex to make your money. This trend line that I marked up, I just marked it up from right here, and I just took it straight across and brought it straight up. So you can tell that it broke the trend right around here and it started going down. But the interesting thing is you can see that another trend has been identified in a sense. So where it went down, it went down, it went up, it went back down a little bit. And then you see it went down to here, and then it's going up. So a trend is being identified. So you could possibly, if you wanted to, go over here to your icons. You can go into parallel channel, and you could, if you wanted to, click right here, go straight across. I just go over a tad bit and scroll down, and I'll stop right there where the wicks are at. So if you wanted to, and I'll go ahead and do this so I won't draw another trend line by mistake, but you could pretty much say it's a possibility that it may hit down at your support again at 103.907 or anywhere in between for you to get in on a buy. As you can tell, I have position for 24 cent or 24,000 at 103.997. I'm currently in this position. I got in a while back in my daily chart. And this is an hourly chart, and this is my take profit at 24 cents at 104.540. If I click right here on my position, you'll see that my take profit is at 57.3 pips or $93.53. I'll close that out. So pretty much, if you want to get in on this, you can get in down here, or you can get in right here, or even where I'm at. And you could pretty much, anything that goes above this is all profit. So if you wanted to, with this trend line, or with this parallel channel, the parallel channel, you could pretty much say that, hey, it's going to stop somewhere around here. So 104.098, you could possibly grab some profits. So you could say, hey, in your hourly range, you could probably say, my first take profit is around 104.098. That's if you have more than one trade going on. I don't know how many pips that's going to be. You have to do the math on that. But obviously, if you're on Forex.com, it'll tell you exactly how many pips you're going to gain, how much profit you're going to gain. But this is pretty much an easy video. It's just going over support and resistance lines. Once again, red being your resistance and the green being your support, and how to set up your parallel channels so that you can clearly identify whether or not the market is going up or going down at a particular time. And as you can tell, in this particular parallel channel, you can see where it was down, it's up, it's down, it's up, and so on and so forth, before finally dropping back down, breaking through the average trend, and then basically reversing. So it is my hope that, because I have this position open right now, that it doesn't go below where it's at, and that it goes up, and I'm hoping that it breaks through and go back up to this area. But I'm also looking at it in a different chart. So for short term people who are just trying to gain some type of profit via scalping or whatever, you can use your trend lines, and you can see that, hey, you have some areas where you can actually come in and make some serious or a little bit of money. So that's pretty much it with this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope it is informative and that you learned something from it. So once again, support and resistance line along with your parallel channels. So you guys have a great day. This is Greg Bridges with Trading Pips, and enjoy your day. All right, talk to you later. Bye.